friends, back with a beauty tutorial. If you would like to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I know I look a bit kind of crazy, but I've basically started the makeup in this area so it wouldn't take me too long to film. So we're going to focus on my right side of the face. I already have a very lightweight foundation, so I've got my brows done as well. So first what we're going to do is, so I'm going to use this as a transition shade and deepen my crease like so. And I'm slightly elongating it in this area. I'm going to use the Half Baked shade from the Naked Original palette and apply it over here. I'm going to use Torch and apply this like so. And then bringing that up here like so. I'm going to continue using this brush. It's the Color Crush shade in Golden Cinnamon. Focus on the very outer corners. Using Half Baked again. Apply the golden shade so it's more prominent. Going back to the Body Crush shade, that is what I'm going to use to apply underneath my eyes. I'm going to drag the eyeshadow like this, and I'm going to use this as a guideline. Okay, so as you can see, intense, middle, gold. That is basically what we're going for with the eyes. We want to concentrate the intensity right here. I'm going to use the Style Nanda lipstick. Oh, this is just an elastic band I've got around it. And Smoked Rose. Then apply it here. And then I'm going to use kind of like a flat kabuki brush to blend it. The important thing about doing this part of the blush is this has to go from your temples and then side of the eyes downwards where your contour would be. And then for the blush, you want to use something that is pink, peach, orange. This one is the Milani blush in Corallina. What I'm doing is I'm tapping the brush into the product. I'm using a flat kabuki brush so it grabs more product. Directly apply this onto the high areas of our cheeks like so. As you can see, that looks more pink than orange. So we're gonna blend that later. Up next, I'm going to use a fluffier brush. I'm gonna use this shade over here, and if I swatch for you guys, it's very orange. Boom. We're going for intense here. We're going for very intense. See that? As more peach orange. Next, we're going to go back to my Hoola Benefit and we're going to contour the nose. With whatever is left on the brush, just slightly. Excess out. Girl, you look orangey. This is kind of crazy. I'm only going to line from this area until here. I'm not going to add a winged eyeliner. And then, before anything else, I'm gonna put mascara and curl my lashes. Why is it that boys always have better lashes than girls? I don't understand. Also, don't forget the lower lashes. Oh, they're a perfect size for me. I'm digging these lashes. And whoops. I do like to go over with eyeliner in the areas of the glue, maybe a bit slightly visible. This is the final eyes and cheeks makeup. For the lips, I'm going to use 2 products. Oh, I haven't even mentioned the product I'm using. It's the KJM Natural Cosmetics Cheek Lip Tint in Summer Kiss. And then I'm going to apply the Style Nanda C3E in Inked Hot. That is it. I don't think my current lighting is doing it justice, so let's switch it up. That's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that bell notification button so you get updated every time I have a new upload. See you soon. Bye.